guys, I'm Alyona from BusinkaMania, and in this tutorial I want to share with you how to sew Thong and Bikini panties, very classical design, and after watching this tutorial you can sew pretty much any panties you want. For this tutorial you will need to download the pattern, link in the description below. You can have a bikini panties or you can have a thong panties. Principle of sewing is the same, you just need to select what is more comfortable for you. Me personally, I don't like to fold my fabric, and because of this I print two pieces of the pattern and glue them this way. So basically if you see, it's two PDF glued to each other. So I prepare my back and I prepare my front as well, as you see here. So now I'm gonna remove this small pattern and I'll need to outline on my fabric. This is an elastic mesh fabric, and after I'll need to cut everything out. This is my outline pattern. We have a back and we have our front. On the front, don't forget to put the mark. This will help to attach our gusset. And here I have my gusset. On the lining fabric I put small cross to know it is the top. Take the front of the panties and put on top of it back of the panties, face to face, exactly this way. Now take the gusset and with the face down, put this on top. Attach everything with the needles. Now go to overlock your sewing machine and sew this place, exactly here. And on top you can sew here also with overlock if your fabric a little bit crumble. It should look this way. Now open the panties and put the gusset on front. On top where we have our marks, we need to attach our gusset in this place with the needles. This way. Now we need to take the elastic. I'm going to use fold over elastic. And we need to attach it here on the side and as well on another side. So it's very simple to do. You place your fabric in the middle of the elastic and you fold it. You need to sew with the elastic stitch everywhere. We're gonna use a white zigzag. Find this on your sewing machine. For me it's number 6. Tension supposed to be on the number 3. Wideness of your zigzag supposed to be on the number 6. And length supposed to be on the number 2. You don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. That's what you should have. Our gusset exactly matching the marks here, and I'm gonna show you the way how to attach the elastic. It is actually two different ways how to do this. One with the bow in the middle, and another it's more in the sportive style when you don't have anything, any distraction on your panties. So first way how to attach the elastic with the bow in the middle. You turn the panties on the opposite side and put them face to face. You line up these two sides together and put some needles. 1, And let's put second one as well here. Do exactly the same on the other side. Now you go into your overlock or sewing machine and sew here in this place and here. Always start to sew with the elastic. Put your foot up and needles as well. Remove all needles so it doesn't go under your knife or the needles. Place the fabric straight away under the needles and put them down on the elastic. Put the foot down and remove another needle so it's not disturbing while we are sewing. Because this part is very thick, try to pull this from the back with your thread to help to pass through. When you pass the elastic, sew as normal up to the end. It should look this way. Do exactly the same on the other side. This is what we have. As you see here, our elastic on the same level everywhere, as well as fabric. Now we need to find front of our panties, our middle. So you take one side and you place it on top of another. Exactly this way. So here, in this place, we have our center. Turn this on the opposite side. Grab the elastic and start to attach, but not exactly from the center, 1 centimeter more further from here. You need to place it here, fold it, and sew everywhere around. When you are coming close to the seam, you need to put this seam in the direction of the back of the panties. So, you see here this seam, you put it in this way, not opposite, in the back. When you're coming close to the beginning of the elastic, you need to remove all these threads which is on our way. So you just cut them off. 1 and second. Yep, done. Now as well you need to cut this place. You see here, this place, you need to cut this off. So it should look this way. Now you need to keep stretching the elastic and cover this place a little bit up to this place. So here is our middle. I'm gonna mark it so you can see it better. And you start to place the elastic exactly this way and sew more further than your center. I will say for half of the centimeter. That's what we have so far in this side and on our opposite side, as you see here. Now you need to grab the scissor and cut as much closer to the thread as you can, this way. Now turn the panties on the opposite side and cut this place. Grab the lighter and remove all this fluffiness you have on your elastic. From the front as well. And you see here, I would cut it a little bit more to make it more cleaner. and burn as well. Now we need to attach our seams on the side, this place. You grab the needle and you push this in this place, next to the seam. Here, it will help you to hide the knot. You close it and you start to attach it this way. Basically, you need to push through the elastic and through the seam. Push your needle, and then you're gonna have a small loop here where you need to put your needle inside. Exactly this way. You need to do this way up to the end of the seam, up to the end of this place. Now we need to do exactly the same here. Technique is the same. You grab first layer of the elastic and the seam itself, this place. You see? Push the needle and put this through the loop. Make few stitches to block the thread. You see what you have? It's completely blocked. Do the same on the other side. Now we need to cover center of the panties with the bow. How to create this little guy you can find in the tutorial number 2. Just attach this in the middle with the thread. In these panties, first we attach the both sides of the panties, and then we attach the elastic and cover this place with the bow. On another way how to make these panties, you sew it here, after you attach the elastic, and only then you sew another side. So this is our bikini classic, and this our Thong classic. The technique used in this video can be applied on the models you see on the screen now. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. Hit that like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you on the next one!